This is how to create a room in eFootball to play a friendly match. So what you need to do first is tap on match and then scroll to the right until you find friend match and click on it. Now you will select the room that you want, either a 1v1 or a co-op. Let's say we want co-op. Tap on that. And then we can also select to set a password, but we won't do that for this instance. So we'll just click create. I'll just click continue here. And now we have created a room. And to be able to share this room, in the upper right corner right here where I'm hovering my cursor, just tap on that and room number copied. And then you can send that to whoever you want. And then they will go here. From their perspective, they will just go to search match room, tap right here on the match room number. And then they will just paste that number that you gave them. And then they will click search. And then they will be able to find and join your room. And that is it. Hopefully this helps.